What do we have today, Tyler?
Truck.
It's called Play-Doh, digging rigs, and a sawmill.
Look.
Look at what? Okay, are we ready to open?
Why do you tell me?
Are we happy about it? Jump up and down. All right, let's open it. Yay! Okay. I need some scissors. I'll be right back. All right, what we got there, Tyler? Hello. Hello. Okay. Look at all this stuff. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this box, and it was only $10. Okay, that's what it's supposed to look like. Why is it so dark? Okay, you want to get the truck out? Okay. That's the truck. So I need to grab that truck out.
Play-Doh!
What is that? What color is a Play-Doh?
Brown!
Brown? And what else?
Black!
Brown and black. Very good. Let's open that part up too, okay? Okay. So we have it set up, right, Tyler? This is how it looks like. That's kind of dark. You see? Well, you put the Play-Doh in here. We need better lights. Maybe I should have turned the lights on this one. Put the Play-Doh in here. Like that. Good, Tyler. Help mommy. Yay. Okay. And then you turn it around. Then you press that down. And then, okay, Tyler, I can't see. Hold on. Hold on. Let's show Linda. Oh, and that's how it works. So it looks like poop coming out. And then you use this, and this pushes forward. And you push that forward, and it cuts it. Just like that. It looks exactly like poop. Maybe we should get into better lighting. Look, here. Here we go. I think this is better lighting. Okay, so this is what we do, Linda. We take the Play-Doh. Okay. Like this, right, Tyler? It looks like poop, Tyler. It looks like you're just holding poop. And you shove it in here. You shove it in. You're ruining my light, Tyler. Okay, and then you push it out. Good, and it looks like poop. And then you cut it. You use that and you cut it. It moves forward and it cuts a piece of poop out. And then the forklift, where's your forklift? This little guy, he comes and he puts the poop away. Oh, now they look like, you know, tree logs. So, okay, so they're supposed to be like tree logs. Okay, and that's it. And that's the toy. It comes with black and brown. So, you want to play some more? Okay. Can you say bye to Linda?
Bye.
You say bye to Sandy?
Bye, Cindy.
And bye, Linda?
Bye, Linda.
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Okay. Say bye.